Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add fonts onto Photoshop. So first off, the thing you have to do is you have to acquire a font file. I recommend the font website here for you to download fonts for free. Now in here, let's just download a font here. For example, I'm just going to download Artisan Paris here. Click on download. Now let's just wait for it to download here. Now once it's done downloading, let's open it up. I already have it open here. Now, once on the zip file, you just have to extract it with WinRAR if you have it. Just click on extract here. Now, once you extract it, find the OTF file or the DTF file. Both of them are the same. Just double click it and then click on install. Now you can see Artisan Paris is now installed. You can tell by the button being grayed out here. Now, once it's installed, that's it. Your font now is installed computer-wide, right? So any program that you try to use will have this font installed, including Photoshop. So let's open up Photoshop here. Let's wait for it to load. Now you can see once Photoshop has loaded, let's try seeing if the font is loaded in. Let me make a file here. Let me just type something. And you can see, let's go to the font section here and let's search for Artisan Paris. And you can see the font is right here. We have installed the font on Photoshop. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.